Hi Visa Freak fan, you're welcome back to another tutorial with me. In today's tutorial, I am not going to be showing you step by step how to get this bag done from the beginning to the end. I'm basically showing you how to revamp an old bag. That's the essence of this particular video. I'm showing you how to revamp an old bag. This was a leather bag that was brought to me by one of my customers, and then I had to revamp it to look presentable again, something she can carry. Right, I'm going to be showing you what it looked like. Right, this is the blue one. This is the blue one. This is what it looked like before I went ahead to work on it. So I'll also show you the video of the finished product when I was done with this, both the green and then the blue one. Right, so let's just get right into it. So I started off by loosening the bag. Right, I loosened every thread that I saw on the bag. I went on to loosen everything, exposing exposing all the, what's it called, all these, the, let me call it strands now, or um leather straps. Yeah, leather straps. I went on to loosen every single thread that I saw, and then when I was done loosening everything, I assembled them together, still ensuring that I separated them into different lengths, still ensuring that I don't miss any parts, so I don't forget where what came from. In fact, I even went ahead to record a video of it so I don't forget where I brought what from, so that revamping it to be way easier to, to fix them back. At this point, I was certain that I was done losing everything. I had to proceed to picking the material I want to use. The client wanted me to use the same color of fabric. So I got this poly. This is, we call this one mercury poly. I got this mercury poly that had the same color, and then I went ahead to, you know, take my measurements. You're going to see how I did it. I took the measurement of every single strap, right? I took the measurement of every single strap, and then I went ahead to cut out the fabric. For the measurements, I took them in batches. I noticed that there were some that the lengths were the same. So I went on to pair them, right? And then I measured them. But for the width for each one of them is the same. The width is 2 inches. So I have 2 inches for the width, and then this particular one was about 21 inches long. There was another one that I had that was 23 inches long. Then the shorter ones I had about 11 or 10 inches long. But the width for each and every one of them was the same. So when I was done measuring the length, right? After I was done measuring the length, next thing I went on to do was to go ahead and cut out the measurement on my fabric. So on my fabric, what I did next for the fabric was I added either half inch or 1 inch to the measurement I have taken. So for the ones for the ones that are 23 inches, I added like 2 inches, making it 25. So 1 inch up, 1 inch down extra. Then for the width, instead of cutting out 2 inches, I did, it's back and front, right? And I'm using a material that has to be on folds. So I went on to cut 4 inches wide, right? 4 inches wide plus half-inch sewing allowance. I hope that makes sense to you. So it was 4 inches wide and then half-inch for sewing allowance, making it a total of what's it called? Sorry, two on this side, two on that side, making a total of four plus half-inch, making a total of 4.5. So for my width, I had 4.5, and then for my length, I had 23 for the one that is 21 inches, then 25 for the one that is 23 inches, then the one that was 11 inches, I had 13. Do we get? When I was done cutting, the next phase is to go ahead and sew it. So you take the new straps, the fabric straps that you have cut, take it to your machine and sew them together. Then pass your sewing, what's it called, your safety pin through it, so you can turn them over to the right side, like I am doing. I'm hoping you know how to turn over to the right side. It's not so difficult. You can even use a pen or ruler to turn over to the right side. Now, when you're done doing that, the next step is to go ahead and pass the leather straps into it. This is so that it can give it some strength. You know that the leather strap has better weight compared to the fabric, right? So when you're done, go ahead and just pass the leather strap into the fabric strap, just the same way I'm doing here in the video. And this is just all you need to do. The other part, that's the end that is open, go ahead and just leave it like this first and continue pass all the other straps into the fabric strap that you sewed. When you're done passing all that, I'll show you what else to do. So the next thing to do is you're going to fold the up parts, the opening parts, you're going to fold it in, but ensure that your fabric is properly placed. There's no part that is bending or bulgy or not lying flat. Make sure that you don't sew your strap to be too tight that you won't have space for the strap. So go ahead now and just fold that top in, right? This, just watch what I'm doing here. Fold it in, then the other part you go ahead and still fold it in. This is how to fold this part in. When you're done folding in, it should look like this when you're done, right? It should look something like this when you're done. You repeat the same process for up the other side, down the other edge, all the other straps that you have done. You go ahead and do the same thing. Then you top stitch that part. This is like the bulk of the work. When you're done with this part, coupling it is going to be way more easier. So this is all everything that I have done so far. When I was done with passing all the leather straps into the fabric, I went on to begin matting. Now I did the very first one and then I went ahead to top stitch it. You remember I said I did a video first to be sure I know where what was positioned. So I just went ahead to follow that video to position the leather again. The short ones were in front, right? The three short ones were in front. I had a top base. I placed the top base there, and I just went ahead to mat. I mat everything, and then this is the final results. If you are able to do something like this, I'll do a video, right? I'll do a proper video where I will show you not how, if a clearer view, step by step process on how to do a new one. This one was revamped. So if you have a bag like this and you want to revamp, you can use this process. But if otherwise, just go ahead and tell me in the comment section, ready to learn, and I'm going to drop a video tutorial on how to do a new one, a new pattern bag like this. You might have blue one in the beginning. This is what the final looks look like. I really love the blue. The way I was able to play around with different shades of denim fabric gave me exactly what I wanted, right? If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the subscribe button already and leave me a thumbs up if this is really cute. Leave a comment as well. You can tell me in the comment section what kind of item you want me to post next, and I'm going to be doing a video, right? Don't forget that you can always come back to my channel to learn a new thing or two from my channel. And don't forget that you can actually also subscribe to this channel. From time to time, Mondays and Fridays, I'm dropping new tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye.